In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide likes on Instagram. Hiding like counts can really help you focus more on the content itself instead of the numbers. It can also make posting feel a bit less stressful, especially if you're worried about how many likes something gets. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to hide like counts on other people's posts in your feed, and how to hide likes on your own posts, both new and existing. First, let's start with hiding like counts across your entire Instagram feed. Open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you're logged in to the account you want to adjust. From your home feed, look for your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen and tap it to go to your profile. Once you're on your profile page, look for the three horizontal lines, sometimes called the menu or hamburger icon, in the top right corner. Tap that to open the main menu. In this menu, find and tap the option labeled Settings and Privacy. This is where Instagram keeps most of its account controls and preferences. Inside Settings and Privacy, scroll until you see a section related to What You See or Content Preferences. Look for an option called Like Counts or Hide Like and View Counts. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on app updates, but it will clearly reference likes or like counts. Tap that option, and you'll see a toggle or checkbox that lets you hide like and view counts on posts from other accounts. Turn this on. Once this is enabled, as you scroll through your feed, you won't see the total number of likes on other people's posts. Instead, you'll see something more general, like liked by username and others, without a number. Now, let's talk about hiding likes on your own posts. When you create a new post, go through the normal steps of adding your photo or video, choosing a filter, and writing a caption. On the final screen before you share, look for an option that says Advanced Settings or More Options near the bottom. Tap that, and you'll find a setting that says Hide Like and View Counts on this post. Turn this on, then go back and share your post. For that post, viewers won't see the total number of likes. You can also change this for existing posts. Open one of your posts, tap the three dots in the top right corner of that post, and choose the option to Hide Like Count. You can always come back and select Unhide Like Count if you change your mind later. And that's it. By adjusting these simple settings, you can make Instagram feel more relaxed, more private, and more focused on what you share, rather than how it performs.